Hey, what's up, guys? Have you ever wondered how to make your concepts faster in C++? Well, me and my friend Katie and Kanisha, and I think George helped me with this trick a while ago. This is back in I don't know, 5 or 6 years ago. But I just wanted to show this example right here. So we need to create a template. It's going to be the type name of, T, just generic T. And we're going to add the concept here, which is what we need to, which is like the whole point of the video. So we're going to do a simple example where we're going to add two values together. So it's going to be called addable. We're going to require the first parentheses as A, and then the next one is going to be B. And we can add parentheses or asterisks here if you want. I can just add a couple because last time I added 3 and the performance was like faster for some reason. I'm not sure what Barney Strustrup was doing there, but he was doing something. Okay, so we need to close this out, and I think I got that right. Okay, anyway, so we need to create the function for this. So it's going to be type. Well, it's not really going to be the type of addable. It's going to be the type of whatever the concept is going to constrain this function to, if that makes sense, because we're going to be using auto here. But we're going to do fast add, and then we're going to do the A, and then we're going to do the B, and we're going to read this. So this is where the magic happens. So the auto trick here is we're going to do a new decal C type. So this way, when we put memory into the cache and stuff, when we do our function call, it will increase the performance and increase those or decrease the cache misses because we'll have more memory in the system. So we do plus A and B here, and this is just the type, and then we need to initialize the memory, and so we'll do another plus B, and then we could do return trick, and then we can close out this, and then sorry, I'm going a little bit slow. So we need to go C out, fast add. We can do 0, and then we can do a float here, and then we could do stdnl, and then our last line is we have just transcended concepts with the free store, and we can close that out. Okay, so I think I have everything right here. Let's run this. Hey guys, my bad. I accidentally put 0.45 here. You can use floats if you remove the parentheses or the asterisks up here, but I'm just gonna do 69, and then we run this, and then we have just transcended concepts with the free store. Let's go, baby! Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Let me know if you use this in production. See you later.